Hey guys, this is Jerry Stewart. I'm the curriculum administrator for AVI. I'm also an instructor here at Highlands College. And so today's topic is going to be F-150 Explorer Hybrid. What's inside the hybrid unit is one, a traction motor. So we have one three-phase motor in there, means it needs three high voltage wires. Now anytime we have a three-phase motor, we may need to get in there and test those phases. So if we look at the picture, we can see the stator here in the picture. That stator is going to have three phases. Now as a technician, we need to be able to get in there and test those three phases. So to test the three phases, we could use a milliohmmeter. And this milliohmmeter would go in and we would test phases UV, UW, and keep going between the three phases till we hit all three. And we'd make sure that the milliohms between each phase didn't vary more than about 5%. And we'd try to look a spec up for that as well. So we'd need a milliohmmeter for that, another tool. If we were going to try to connect a scope and basically look at voltage coming to this, we would need a adapter here, and this is an isolator basically. This is just a adapter that would go between the scope and between the three-phase motor. Most of your scopes are not able to directly connect to a three-phase high voltage motor. So be aware that we may need to go in there and buy this adapter. This one is from Pico. There's other manufacturers that make them. That just goes, basically makes your scope a Cat 3 meter at that point. We also may need to go in and physically check the, see if there's any shorting from phase to phase or phase to ground. And in that case, we'd need a megaohmmeter. We'd be checking insulation factors of the motor or the cables, okay? So we would use this unit here, which would be a megaohmmeter. This happens to be a Fluke 1507. There's different models. Other manufacturers make a similar product. And don't forget, we also still need our gloves if we're doing any live testing. And of course, you can get some powder for the gloves as well. So remember, if we're doing gloves, we need to test the gloves. We need to pump them up before each use. Make sure that they're not damaged.